Are you ready for a really cool little device? It's a fitness band that pops in and out with an earpiece that you can use for answering phone calls. It also has time display, messages, sporting, where you have your steps, your distance, and your calories burned, a full-on heart rate and blood pressure monitoring system, together with last night's sleep and the ability to turn it off. Beyond that, when you're in fitness, if you want beyond just step count, press and hold, and you can go into running, cycling, or climbing. All of those separate features are available to you. In addition, they show up on the app. The app not only calculates and tracks all of your biometrics information from your step count and your last night's sleep, but you have a health section that when you activate this dynamically on the app, it simultaneously on the band is calculating your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your blood pressure, and your overall fatigue level, and plotting that on graphs in each of these sections in a one-button operation. It's really a sophisticated device, has the complete capability of answering phone calls with an earpiece, heart rate monitor, and charger. Again, it's called the Y6. Check it out.